When it comes to growing your business, you need tools that you can help make the right decision based on data, generate leads, boost user engagement, increase traffic, send out emails, and more. Here are our top 5 picks for the overall best WordPress plugins you can get your hands on to double and triple your website's growth. First on our list is OSI. OSI affiliate software was created for different type of businesses that come in different sizes. So whether you're a startup or a huge company, they have all the features you would need. Your company would be able to benefit from OSI affiliate software by gaining more customers, sales, and conversions with spending fewer amounts in marketing and having a hassle-free time managing the campaign. OSI affiliate will make it easy for you to create and manage a referral marketing program for your WordPress store. Next is Monster Insights. Google Analytics is one of the most popular marketing tools widely used by professionals as well as beginners. It helps you understand exactly how users find and use your website so you can make informed marketing decisions. Monster Insights is the best WordPress plugin for Google Analytics. It helps you use Google Analytics like a pro and grow your business with confidence. It allows you to set up Google Analytics in WordPress easily and provides you with detailed reports on your website traffic and their interactions with your site. With Monster Insights, you can set up advanced tracking like e-commerce, forms, ads, custom dimensions with ease. You can even make your site GDPR compliant in a few clicks using its add-on. And you can see all the analytics reports within your WordPress dashboard without having to navigate away from your site. Next is OptinMonster. OptinMonster is the best lead generation software available on the market. It helps you to convert your website traffic into leads and boost your conversions and sales. With OptinMonster, you can create beautiful email opt-in forms and display them strategically on your site. You can create different types of campaigns, including lightbox pop-ups, inline forms, sidebar forms, countdown timers, and other more. You can also use smart triggers to display them on your site to the right people. OptinMonster's signature exit intent technology helps you convert abandoning visitors into subscribers and customers. Other triggers like scroll trigger, Monster Link's two-step opt-ins, inactivity sensor, and other more are also very effective. OptinMonster is nothing less than a phenomenal tool to help you grow your email list faster than ever. Next is WP Forms. One of the most common strategies used by successful marketers is creating connections with customers. And WP Forms is the right tool for that. It's a powerful WordPress forms plugin that allows you to create simple contact forms as well as advanced forms like order forms, payment forms, donation forms, survey forms, and polls. It's one of the most popular WordPress plugins in the world. WP Forms is a user-friendly and straightforward plugin anyone can use without touching any code. You can find pre-built form templates to quickly start making forms. Plus, it features an intuitive drag and drop form builder. Then, you can embed the forms easily in blog posts, pages, sidebar widgets, footer areas, and other more. WP Forms is a great form builder plugin and marketing tool for WordPress. Next is SeedProd. If you're planning for a big launch of your new website, then SeedProd is a plugin you need to start with. It allows you to create a professional coming soon page in a matter of minutes and start an online business for your new site. SeedProd is the #1 coming soon page and maintenance mode plugin for WordPress. It comes with over 50 beautiful themes, 500,000 free background images, and 750 Google fonts to let you create a stunning coming soon page. The plugin has integration with the best email newsletter tools like ConvertKit, MailChimp to let you collect emails. It also has a password protect feature to allow your clients special access. Thanks for watching.